Panieras. This time check is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent. Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent. Number 1.
Mula sa number 1, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart Dishwashing Paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bacteria.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Hello everyone, my name is Donnie Geisler. I'm 44 years old. I was a former national team member in Taekwondo, two-time Olympian in Taekwondo, and I'm currently the head coach of the Donnie Geisler Taekwondo Training Center. Kyungnan! Doing sport is a very positive thing. Teaching young kids martial arts and taekwondo will really help a child become a better human being in society. There is no gold medal yet sa taekwondo sa Olympics. You want to achieve and get that gold medal for the country, so there's pressure there. In the years to come, I want to create future Olympians, and hopefully the future gold medalist will be my student. Now that I'm a teacher, I work almost 7 times a week. It complements me now because MX3 is like a protective gear for my heart. I really need it as part of my diet because I knew that it's high in antioxidants. So I needed that to protect my cardiovascular system. Especially if you're an athlete, you should have stamina. And of course, I had injuries in the past, and the anti-inflammatory properties helped me recover. At this point in time, you want God to be there for you all the time. And of course, we have to exude that character of being a good person. And there are times when you will ask for God's guidance and you will seek for, wishes from Him. Just keep on praying, and I'm sure Jesus Christ and God will give it to you.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumi mancha, pero di masakit sa kamay. Tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Kasi ang resensya para iwas-iwas sa sakit with proper diet and exercise.
Blessed day, everyone. Ako po si Venus Ra. Akala ko conquering the universe was the ultimate. But there's more. Dahil tinawag ko ako ng Panginoon for a major, major purpose. To guide the youth, help communities, and to bring others closer to Him. Kaya I take care of my health through proper diet, exercise, and MX3 capsule. I am ready to serve. Kasi para sa Panginoon, hindi lang ako 4th runner-up. First place ako sa puso niya.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Mag-MX3 araw-araw para MX-Extraordinary.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay mas alaga, mas protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing, para siguraduhin ngipin ay mas alaga, mas protektado pa.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Aliwa! Bauta! Dali na lang gali! Yes!
Naglipa na ang mga papaya soaps. Napansin nyo ba mga girls and guys? Aminin, gusto nyo rin pumuti. Sa dinami-dami ng papaya soaps na makikita nyo sa groceries, may isang namumukod tanging White Rose Papaya. Mula sa White Rose, dahil hindi lang papaya extracts ang ingredient nito, meron ding vitamin B3. Nakikita ito sa mga mamahaling mga serums na kilalang nagpapabilis ng pagpapaputi ng balat. Kaya naman ang White Rose Papaya, clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days. With regular use, papaya puti, papaya fast. Yan ang White Rose Papaya.
Kauna-unahan sa Pilipinas.
Manila Broadcasting Company.
DZRH, a proud member of MBC Media Group. Dos Compañeras.